Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I know a lot of you enjoy a good Saturday chat video and I have one for you today. All over my Instagram, I have been seeing feeds of ladies being painfully honest about this Christmas season, and with the soaring inflation, price of food, price of living, price of gas, that Christmas is almost impossible this year. That they can't buy for extended family members, some family members, if you would gift to a cousin or an aunt, that all has to end because the disposable income is just not there. It's super uber stressful and you just can't do gifts. This is your Aunt Rach talking that if you have to have one of these conversations with somebody saying, hey, I just can't afford it, the spirit of the holiday should be to spend time with family and friends. It's not about what you're getting under the tree or what's the value of what you're getting. The spirit of the holiday is, not that, the commercialism of it. And if you can't swing all of this, that is okay. And the recipient, if they are going to really be, pouting and throwing a fit, I mean, maybe it's a year that they deserve to get nothing. I mean, that's just karma in its most pure form, I would think. And if you are going to have a conversation, have it sooner than later, especially if, you don't want somebody buying for you, if you can't afford it. But most of us here are couponers and we can just reach into our stockpile and put together a really spectacular little basket or something like that in 5 seconds flat and have Christmas instantly. But give yourself a bit of if you just can't afford the latest and greatest toys, you haven't been toy hauling, money is really tight, give yourself that grace that it is okay and you are not alone in this, that a lot of people are struggling. And if you have spoiled individuals who are expecting things, perhaps this is going to be a very humbling year and that is okay too. A couple holidays, I've had family members pull me aside and say, hey, I'm not really giving you much this year. I'm sorry. And I would just look at them and say, you're here. That's all that we want. Like, I'm not expecting anything and it's okay. But I think the pressure that people put on themselves this time of the year can be crushing. But just know that if you have to scale back with your gifts, with your coupon gifts, with your bundles, whatever you're giving to family and friends, that is okay. It is fully okay, guys. Now, in the last 2, 3 weeks, I've been hauling a lot of penny items out of the Dollar General, and a lot of this will be put into beautiful baskets for Christmas, or I'm going to just keep it all for myself and be the Grinch. No, I'm just kidding. But, you just have to think of things in a different way. I will link these videos, too, of my penny hauls if you want to check them out. Maybe your store, you'll hit big this weekend. But it's just to think of things in an alternative and a different fashion, that not everything has to come from, Bath and Body Works or, Hobby Lobby. I think if your mom got, 10 packs of these knockoff Swiffer pads and they are really into cleaning their home, that might be more of a sensible gift. I know that my mom specifically always asked for stockpile gifts over anything. She would rather have $300 of stockpile items that she could use throughout the year and not have to buy it than to get a candle from Bath and Body Works. So however you slice it or dice it, it's an awkward conversation to say, I have to give less this year. But what is the true meaning of the holiday? I think it is spending time with family and friends. And you can always do things very creatively, especially if you're hauling all this cleaning stuff from Dollar General for next to nothing. You can offer to clean a parent's bathroom or to vacuum, clean walls, different sort of gifts like that. If you're on any sort of social media, you watch these clean talk ladies going crazy. It's so inspiring to clean or get homes organized. If you have that in you, that you are just like little Miss Organization or little Mr. Organization, you could do that as well. And that would probably be a very meaningful gift as well. Organize a closet, organize a bathroom, deep clean a bathroom. I know a lot of us can do that in a couple hours. So that could also be a very meaningful gift. It doesn't have to come from the store. It just has to come from the heart. And I really hope that this video has helped a couple of you. I just keep seeing these stories, especially on Instagram, of people stressing to have awkward conversations saying Christmas is going to be a lot smaller this year, or I just can't afford Christmas. But yes, you can afford a very kind gesture of showing up, or even deep cleaning somebody's oven. I would love that for Christmas. That's it for this video, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.